Hello, welcome to another video. I have a cowgirl themed party today, so I thought we'd get ready together. I bought some cowboy boots over the weekend. I've got the whole outfit to put together. I do some makeup and stuff as well, but this is the first time I've gotten properly ready for a party in my new apartment. If you haven't seen the moving diaries, please go check that out because I've started a series with everything to do with the apartment. So let's get some drinks, let's get the music on, and let's get ready for this shindig. Hold down, that's what they call it.
Well, I like clovers. My heart's always been green, but I tend to mix up the ones with 3 and 4 leaves. Cause you like drinking in company. Only thing you like more was putting off time with me. If I'd have seen half of that, I'd run right from the start. This never would have gone so long. You'd never break my heart. Oh, love sure makes me stubborn. Held on longer than I should have. If I'd have seen half of the bad, I'd never take you for a good one. You knew you had me, so you stopped trying. And if I'd have left, then I wouldn't be here crying. But I grinned and bared it, swore it was fake. I don't know how my friends listen as I sat and pled your case. If I'd have seen half of the back, I'd run right from the start. This never would have gone so long. You'd never break my heart. Oh, love sure makes me stubborn. Held on longer than I should have. If I'd have seen half of the bad, I'd never take you for a good one. Ain't we all been beggars when we should have been choosers? Hell, the best of us was held out for a loser. And I know you saw me on my knees crying over you, sir. But honey, it's time to cut our losses. Don't you beat up yourself. I'm sure I'll find someone better. I'm sure you'll find someone else. If I'd have seen half of the back, I'd run right from the start. This
Outfit time. I have this dress, well, it's a play suit. It's from Urban Outfitters. I'm gonna wear it off the shoulder. It's cute. And then I have this belt. It's like Western vibes. I'm thinking around my waist. I don't have brown boots though, but it's fine. It's not that serious. And also, like, there's holes that go all the way around, which is great, so you can have it as natch as you wish. This isn't my waist though. My waist is here, but I can't really pull it down any more than that, because then the top half doesn't look right. So whatever. I don't know if this matters. I don't feel like it does. I don't feel like I care that much. Would a cowgirl care? Probably not. Oh yeah, let me show you my boots. Sweet memory. Then, oh, my daddy said you held me in his arms. He told me to be strong. He told me when he's gone, here's what you do. Oh, I need jewellery. So, what jewellery is gonna go with this look? I don't know. Let's have Have a look. I feel like is silver the vibe? Might be. Because I'm wearing a lot of white. Or huge gold hoops. I think the gold looks better. Oh my god, I've had a great idea. What if I put my braids into braids? Oh, that's so cool. And now I'm feeling more cowgirl, I think. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. This is my outfit. I feel like a cowgirl now. I think that since I did my hair. Fun. I literally love the hair. I think the hair is really cool. I kind of wish they were both facing the same way, but like it's really not that deep. And you know, they're obviously not going anywhere. So thanks for getting ready with me. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again next week. Bye.